One of the fastest ways to learn Excel is to learn some of the Excel tips and tricks. If you learn one tip a day, you could learn 30 new things in a month. I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks in part 2 of the series. And if you would like to view part 1, please check out the link at the top right or check down below in the description box. So let's get started. Automatically insert decimal points. If your values always have a decimal point that you need to enter, this can be quite time-consuming. There is a faster way to do this. On your ribbon at the top left under File, select Options at the bottom left, and in this dialog box, select Advanced, and over here on the right, you see it says Automatically Insert a Decimal Point. So click that, and you can specify how many digits you want to see after your decimal point. I'm going to leave it at 2. Select OK, and now when we enter our numbers, the decimal point is automatically inserted. Quickly filter based on cell value. Here I have sales order data, and let's say I want to quickly filter on the customer Vanessa to view all her orders. The traditional way would be to use the filter function under data, then select Vanessa. But there is a quicker way to do this. Select any cell that has the word on which you want to filter, right-click, select filter by selected cell's value, and instantly Excel filters on the cell's value. Messy data cleanup. Now I'm going to show you how to fix messy data in Excel. So if you have data that is all in uppercase and you want it to be lowercase, we're going to use lower, so type in equals, lower, select your cell, close brackets, select enter, and our text is in lowercase. If we want our lowercase to be in uppercase, type in equal sign, type upper, open brackets, select your cell, close brackets, and we have our text in uppercase. Here we have some really messy data, so to fix that we will type in equals, proper, open brackets, select our text, close brackets, and our text is fixed. If we have messy spacing, all we have to do is type equals, trim, open brackets, select our cell, close brackets, and our spacing is corrected. Retrieve exchange rates between two currencies. In this example, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the exchange rate between two currencies in Excel. Here we have some currencies, USD to Euro, Euro to USD, the South African Rand, British Pound, Indian Rupees. First we're going to select this data, hold down Shift and the down arrow key, and we're going to convert this to a table, select Ctrl T. We're going to select My Table Has Headers, select OK. Under Data on the top left of your ribbon, select Stocks. And this icon pops up on the right of your table. Select this icon and we have a whole range of options to select from. We want to select price and our exchange rate is added to our table. If you wanted, you could also select other options such as the 52-week low or 52-week high. If you select this icon on the left of your currency, you also have additional information that you could view. Retrieve cryptocurrency. Now I'm going to show you how to retrieve cryptocurrency data in Excel. Here we have Bitcoin to USD, Ethereum to USD, and Litecoin to USD. First we're going to convert this into a table, so use Ctrl A to select our data and Ctrl T. In this prompt, select My Table Has Headers, select OK, and it is converted to a table. In our ribbon at the top left, select Data, select Stocks. This icon comes up, so we're going to select Price, and we have the price of our cryptocurrency. We can also select Change Percentage, and that's how we retrieve data for our cryptocurrency. If you would like to learn some more quick tips and tricks like splitting data with just one click of a button, or how to quickly create graphs in Excel, please be sure to check this video right here, Excel Top Tips and Tricks Part 1. And soon you'll be on your way to learning a cool 30 new things in just a month.